Hi everyone, Vincenzo here, bringing you another tutorial for a ukulele duet. This week, let's learn how to play White Christmas. I'm sure you all know this song, but did you know that this song was written in 1942 by Irving Berlin? Well, I didn't. In this tutorial, you're going to work on both the chords and the melody so that you can put together your own cover of it, even if you're not the big on singing. In fact, I will teach you how to play the singing part of White Christmas on the ukulele, and you will see that this melody works very well on your instrument. Once you know both parts, just put it together. Nowadays, it's really simple. You can just do it from your phone, or even better, play it together with another ukulele friend. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. So this is a really cool melody that stays pretty much in this area of the fretboard. It has some chromatic notes, it's low, and it gives you a lot of room to add expressions to it. As always, I divided it in small chunks so that it's easier for you to learn. And by the way, if you're looking for the tab and the backing tracks to practice this song, you can find them on my Patreon page, link in the description. We start on the second string with fret number 7, then 8, 7, 6, 7, and we land on 8. These are the chromatic notes that I was talking about before. Then we end with 4 and 5. I'm playing the 4th fret using my index, and I'm using the middle finger for the 5th fret. Let's repeat this phrase slowly. For the right hand, I'm keeping it super simple. I'm only using the thumb, and I will be doing that throughout the entire tutorial. You could argue that it would be more technically correct to use your index as well, and perhaps your ring finger too, but I really want to keep it simple so that you can learn it straight away. So we carry on, and for this part we need to move our left hand a bit. We start with the index on fret number 7, then 9, 10, then we need to play fret 12, which we will be playing using the pinky. Then we go back to fret number 10, still using the pinky, then we play 9, 7, 10. So let's put this phrase together very slowly. 7, 9, 10, 12, 10, 9, 7, 10. One more time. We carry on, and we have 7, 9, 7, 7, 7, 7. A lot of sevens. So one more time. Then we have 10, 7, 7, 7, 10, 8, 7. Slowly. We put these two together, and this is what we get. Then we end the first part of the melody with 8, 7, 9, 7, 9. Slowly. Let's play the entire melody so far. 3, 4. If you made it so far, congratulations, you can play pretty much the entire tune. In fact, we repeat the melody twice, but the second time it's played, there is a small variation towards the end. Let me show you what I mean. So, we start with the melody, same as before. We carry on. And up to here, it's the same. This is part 26 if you downloaded the tab. But from there on, it changes. So I will start from a bit before so you can understand how it goes. So we have 7, 9, 7, 7, 7, 7, like before. And now we have 10, 10. The last 10 is the variation. We put these two together and this is what we get. Then we have the famous ending line of the melody that goes like this: 7, 9, 7, 7, 7, 10, 6, 6, 7. Again, slowly. Let's play the entire second part of the melody from bar 17 if you're following from the tab. 3, 4. Wait a bit. Now that you know the song from the beginning to the end, let's do a play along with the chords in the background. Now let's work on the chords. First of all, let me show you the chord shapes that you need to play White Christmas. Of course, if you already know them, simply skip this part. So we start with G major, G7, A minor, D major, D7, C major, and C minor. If you're struggling with C minor, you can simply play this. It's C5 and it will still work. Now that you know the chord shapes, let's start working on the strumming pattern. It goes like this: down, down, up, down, up, down. One more time, a little bit slower. Down, down, up, down, up, down. One more time. This is the chord progression for the first part of the song. Let's follow it using the strumming pattern that you've just learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, and G, G, A minor, D major, C, D7, and G, G again, G7, C, C minor, and G, G, A minor, and D7. For the second part of the song, the chords change slightly. Here's the chord progression. I wrote the variations in red. And don't forget, on the last G, we only strum once, like this. So let me show you how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, A minor, D major, C, D7, and G, G, G again, G7, C, C minor, now G, careful, D7, G, last one. Now Now let's do a play along of the entire chords part with the melody in the background. On my Patreon page, you can find the tab, the chord charts, and the backing tracks that you need to practice this song. You have the MP3 of me playing the melody, the MP3 of me playing the chords, and I also added a drum beat to help you stay in time. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this song works very well for a collaboration. You could even use one of my backing tracks and collaborate with me. If you would like the video versions, simply get in touch. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you managed to play the song. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. Merry Christmas!